In this video, I will show you how to make PayPal balance as your default payment on your PayPal account. Let me show you how. Open up your browser to log into your PayPal account. Go ahead and click on this plus sign to create a new tab. Click on search Google, type in PayPal, login and hit enter. Go ahead and click on login to your PayPal account. After successfully logging, go ahead and click on this three slider from the top. Then click on this setting icon. Then slide this way. Proceed to payments. Then here you go. Scroll down right here. You have payment. Manage your automatic payment. Choose a preferred way to pay. Earn rewards and do more. Right here, you have different options. You have online purchases. You have automatic pay. All you have to do right here is to simply click on choose a funding source checkout. Then here you go. At this point right here, go ahead and click on here to check your PayPal. Next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on confirm. You are set PayPal balance as your preferred way to pay online. Go ahead and hit on done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.